Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the exact Android model and whether the back cover or battery is removable. This determines how to route the coil. Once done, power down the phone and disconnect any battery to avoid shorts. You should acquire a thin Kai receiver coil, sized to fit the cavity, 3M adhesive tape, and a small T5 screwdriver. Make sure to ground yourself. Electrostatic discharge can ruin components, so touching a grounded metal surface before handling the board is essential. You now position the Kai coil over the phone's wireless charging area, ideally centered above the battery for best coupling. Once positioned, route the coil's flex cable along existing chassis gaps. Do not crimp or bend sharply. If the receiver requires direct power, carefully solder to the phone's 5V and ground pads, confirming polarity before any connection. Otherwise, use a compact receiver board that bridges to the battery connector. After connection, gently press the coil with thin adhesive and reassemble temporarily to test alignment. You finish by reassembling the phone and placing it on a certified Kai pad. Watch for the charging LED or battery current increase to confirm success. If it does not charge, make sure polarity is correct, solder joints are solid, and the coil sits centered without metal shims blocking the field. One key troubleshooting tip: if the device heats excessively, stop immediately. Insulate the coil, increase spacing from metal cases, and verify the receiver's rated current. Overheating indicates miswiring or a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.